Patel in class 4th from Mona Modern English Medium School Saramgarh. Today I am going to tell about Ashoka the Great. Let's start. Ashoka was born in Patliputra around 304 BC. Ashoka the Great was the son of King Bindusar and the grandson of Chandragupta Maurya. Ashoka became the emperor after he formally crowned himself in 273 BCE and extended the boundaries of his empire. Ashoka was the only emperor to get the title of Chakravarti Samrat. He fought the War of Kalinga in 261 BC, but became so upset by the bloodshed and loss of life that he decided to not fight any war after that. He accepted Buddhism and had to spreading it in India and other Asian countries. The national emblem and the Ashok Chakra are the creations of Ashoka. Ashok Chakra is also known as Wheel of Duty. It has 24 spokes that represent 24 qualities of a person that can lead a country towards progress. Thank you for listening me. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, myself Yasraj Nirala, class 4th from Mona Modern English Medium School Saramgarh, and today my topic is Ashoka the Great. So let's start my topic. Ashoka the Great was also known as the Chakravarti Samrat. Ashoka was one of the greatest and most powerful king of Maurya dynasty in the history of our India. Ashoka the Great was born in Patliputra, now Patna, in around 304 before century. Ashoka the Great was the son of King Bindusara and Queen Subhadrangi. Ashoka the Great was the grandson of the founder of Maurya dynasty, Chandragupta Maurya. The Kalinga state was captured by the Chakravarti Ashoka in his 8th year of Rajaship. He converted himself to Buddhism after the War of Kalinga. Ashoka the Great ruled India for 273 before century to 232 before century. The Ashok Chakra and the national emblem are the creation of Ashoka. According to believers, the great Ashoka died in 232 before century. Ashoka made several hospitals as animals' wealth and human wealth. This is Ashok Chakra. The Ashok Chakra means wheel of law. It is derived in Sanskrit word Dharma Chakra, which is represented with 24 spokes. There are 24 spokes in the Ashok Chakra, which represented the 24 qualities of a person. This is all for today. Thank you for listening me.
Everyone, myself Pratik Nirala, class 4 from Mona Model English Medium School Saramgarh, and today my topic is Ashoka the Great. So let's start my topic. Ashoka was born on 273 BC. He is an ancient Indian ruler. He is the grandson of Chandragupta Maurya and he is the son of the Bindusara. Ashoka the Great was one of the most greatest kings. Ashoka was responsible for spreading throughout India during the Kalinga War. Thousands of people were died then, and Ashoka decided to not fight any war or after that. This is our for today. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, I am Shrishti Singh from class 4 from Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangar. Today I am going to present about Ashoka the Great. So let's start. Ashoka was the famous ancient Indian ruler. Ashoka was an Indian empire of the Maurya dynasty. Ashoka was the son of Bindusara. Ashoka was born in Patliputra, now Patna, around 304 BCE. He became king after the death of his father. Ashoka spent years fighting to conquer Kalinga. During Kalinga War, 1,000 people were killed. He recorded all the violence and suffering had caused during the Kalinga Wars. Thank you for listening. Bye bye. My name is Avika Agrawal, class 4th from Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangar. Today my topic is Ashoka. So let's start. Ashoka was the famous ancient Indian ruler. He is the son of Bindusara. He became king after the death of his father. He ruled from 265 or 273 BC to about 238 or 232 BC. Ashoka spent years fighting to honor Kalinga. During Kalinga wars, 1,000 people were killed. He gave up fighting wars and fractured and spreading Bindusam. This is Ashok Chakra. Ashoka's four-lion motif is the national emblem of the India. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Saimrat Puri Goswami. I study in class 4th, Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangar. Today's my topic is Ashoka the Great. So let's start. Ashoka the Great was son of Bindusar. Ashoka was the third emperor of the Mauryan dynasty. Ashoka promoted the spread of Buddhism across ancient Asia. Ashoka, after the war of Kalinga, got upset with the bloodshed and vowed to never fight again. He patronized Buddhism during his reign. Ashoka waged a particular destructive war against the state of Kalinga, present-day modern Odisha, which he conquered in about 260 BCE. According to an interpretation of his edicts, he converted to Buddhism. After witnessing the mass deaths of the Kalinga War, which he had directly resulted in more than 1 lakh deaths and 1,50,000 deportation. He remembered forest stretching Ashoka pillars and spreading from Buddhist monks to Sri Lanka and Central Asia, and for establishing monuments marking sites in the life of Gautam Buddha, and he created a new post called Mahamatram, a moral of morality. From his reason. Thank you.
morning to all of you. My name is Khusdeep Are, class 4. Today's topic is Ashoka Chakra. This is Ashoka Chakra. The Ashoka Chakra is a dependency of the Dharma Chakra. A van represented with 24 spokes in Buddhism. It is called so because it appears on a number of edicts of Ashoka. Most prominent amount which is the edicts of Ashoka. Most prominent amount which is the law and capital of Ashoka. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Balaji Banjare. I study in class 4th in Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangarh. Today I am telling about the great Ashokas. So let's start. This is the model of Ashoka Chakra. Chandragupta Maurya grandson Ashokas became the empire after he formally crowned himself in 273 BCE and extended the boundary of himself. The Ashoka's four-lion is the national emblem of India.